millions of images. This is an image generation or editing model open sourced by Alibaba. Now, the feature we've implemented in Confluence is tattoo pattern. In this video, we will compare the Open 2.2 model with the career model. Let me start with the conclusion. The million parameter image model is still a scaling level model, and its performance is very close to domestic BN image generation models. It has 2 billion parameters, strong generalization capabilities, and excellent support for Chinese, which are all its key features. In all comparison tests, except for aesthetics, it is almost always slightly worse than the career model in some cases. No particular problems. Then we look at the workflow. I'm still using a 48G machine on RunningHub for testing, of course, hoping to reach a fair conclusion. So once we unify the prompts, seeds, and resolution settings, we can use this single node to generate millions of images. We can also update ComfyUI to the latest version locally and use the native workflow. Online support will be available in a few days. Here we compare 3 models. One of them is the WAN2.2 model. WAN2.2 itself is a video generation model, but people found it works well for image generation too, so I included it here. In the following comparison, it is not. It still has its advantages, even though it lost completely. The second comparison model is the career model, fine-tuned from the Flux model. This model almost solves all the shortcomings of our original dev models, so it's also very powerful. It showcases unique aesthetics through these multiple comparative tests. The third model is today's Qwen-Image model. As mentioned earlier, its advantage lies in the process where a Qwen-Image model combined with a career model serves as a refiner. Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction section to register and receive 12 gigabytes. Logging in daily will also grant you 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. Now let's directly look at the comparison results. The first group was asked to take apart an outfit, but none of them did very well. The career model clearly didn't measure up. The second set of 4-cell grids requires consistency in the characters while they wear different outfits. Here, only Qianwen completed the task using an image. It maintained a 4-panel layout with consistent character portrayals and changing costumes. The third group, all 3 are correct, but the sense of beauty increases from left to right. The fourth group is still a matter of aesthetics. Group 5, this girl with freckles has been tested many times. The career model looks more realistic, but using girlfriend sounds a bit oily. Group 6, 2 consecutive frames. The dinosaur on the left is asked to look at the camera and then exhale. Millions of girls and career models are both correct. If the 7th group is correct, then if consistency in the background is also stronger, the career model would be even better. Group 8, in the prompt, one hand is holding a massive wooden mace. Only the one with a completion rate of 2.2 can accomplish this task. Among the 3, if I had to choose, I would pick the middle image from the million images. Compared to the prompt, the million image only fails to follow the description regarding the hammer in the hand. For such insufficient details in the million image, we can completely resolve them through post-processing with a refiner. For example, using other models, even the million model itself, to upscale images generated from text should be able to solve this problem. The texture of images generated at a million level scale is very close to that of domestic BN image generation models. This isn't actually a compliment because it's slightly worse than the creator model. What is worth praising? It has the same strong generalization ability as domestic BN image generation models. A simple prompt, a mecha warrior with 3 heads and 6 arms. There were no open source image models available at the end of last month and the beginning of this month capable of generating a multi-armed mecha warrior without using the NOR model. The career model is even more extreme. It just gives you a Gundam right away. Next group, more stylized. Personally, I think the career model is better. What about the next result? The little frog with an umbrella. This outcome has been repeated many times. Overall, I think the 1,000 girls were completely destroyed. The next stylized mecha, I think the career model would have performed better. With the slight adjustments, the Dark Forest style could be so good, but it wasn't done before, so the opening didn't come out. Their 13th group, Korean Gothic girls. The ones on the right look better. A million images show legs uncrossed, and for career models, there's no visible cigarette smoke, so both are equal. In my opinion, both of them could achieve better results with just one more random seed. Group 14, a girl is sitting on a cola bottle. It clearly has better texture, lighting, and results compared to a career model. However, the Coca-Cola font looks broken. Obviously, the image would be much better. At this point, we can clearly see that with just one more image, we only need to generate another image from it. Or even upscale it further, or use the career model as a refiner, and we could get something extremely close to the desired result. So we came up with this process where Qwen-Image is used as the initial generator and the creator model serves as the refiner to achieve the ideal result. So this Chinese wordplay actually holds its own against our current domestic BN image generation models. When I want to fix 2 Chinese sentences with absolutely no mistakes, when I tried to recall those 8 fixed sentences, many problems arose. But actually, it's not that important. We've never had such a tool before. It will only get better. In summary, Qwen-1 is simply a very powerful SOTA-level image generation model with strong generalization capabilities, high compliance with text instructions, support for Chinese prompts, and the ability to generate content in Chinese. The only drawback I see now is that it slightly lags behind a courier model in terms of aesthetics. Well worth a try. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models like VQ. Some models like Keling and Wanxiang have specifications that are even lower than the officially announced prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that over time, it actually saves you a lot of money.